This is the second section of the course, where we will dive more in-depth on the types of ways Spark Post can help automate your workflow. In this lesson, we'll go over what templates are, types of templates, and using template designs. So, the first thing anyone sees when they open Post is the template screen. It has several different template sections to choose from on this page, but there are hundreds to thousands of templates at our disposal. Templates are a preset format for projects, used so that the format does not have to be recreated each time it is used. Meaning, someone does the work for you, and you only have to click the template you would like to use, then click the button Remix as Template. Now, this post is in your My Posts to be edited as you please. Templates are again good for reference. For example, if you don't quite know how to start a layout or design for your Black Lives Matter poster for the rally next week, you can either scroll through the featured as the most up-to-date and popular ones are on there, or search using keywords, and you should find hundreds of templates to help you get that creative spark, or you might find one you like that you want to remix. Don't believe me? Let's type some keywords to see just how broad the options are in Post. Diploma, menu, concert ticket, resume. All of these are things you can build in Adobe Spark Posts, or you can remix them to fit your need instead of starting from scratch. If you need the full list of Adobe Spark Post templates, you can visit the Spark Post web app to see the full range of selections. Beyond this page, there isn't much to templates besides one last feature. Let's go ahead and click a random template and go to the layout for it. And head over to the design option. Here we can take the attributes of another template and immediately integrate them with our project for a complete remix. This is something that doesn't always turn out super seamless. It most of the time requires some editing on your part. Again, to summarize, templates are pre-made formats that people have created for others to use. Take advantage of all they have to offer, from physical editing to inspiration for your own. They are a great place to start. Hence, why it's the first thing you see when you open the app.